guys, in this video we are going to learn about the properties of rational numbers. Okay, right. The rational numbers. Which are rational numbers? The numbers which can be written in the form of P by Q. Those are rational numbers. Okay, right. Okay, for example, the numbers which can be written in the form of P by Q. P, Q are integers and Q never equals to 0. Okay, right. Q is a non-zero rational number. Non-zero integer. For example, 0.2 is a rational number. Okay. This can be written in the form of P by Q. 4 is a rational number. 0 is a rational number. Because 4 by 1 also a rational number. So 4 can be written in the form of 4 by 1. So 4 is rational number, 5 is rational number, 0 is rational number, 125 is rational number, minus 145 by 3 also a rational number. Okay children? And next 0.3444 and so on also a rational number. Okay, these are in the form of P by Q. Okay, now let us learn about the properties of rational numbers. Number 1. The first property is closure property. Okay, right. Closure property. If the sum of two rational numbers is also a rational number, then we can say that the set of rational numbers is satisfy closure property under addition. Okay, under addition. Okay, we are here are the basic operations are plus, minus, into and divided. Okay, these four basic operation we are going to learn the closure property is satisfies or not. Okay, first one. If A, B are rational numbers, so rational numbers are indicated by Q because of quotient numbers. Okay, then A plus B also a rational number. Then we can say that the closure property satisfies under addition. Right. Okay. Here I am going to take two rational numbers. Okay, one is 0, another one is 1 by 2. These two are rational numbers. Am I right? Yes, these are rational numbers. So now we add these two numbers. Okay, if we add 0 to any number, we get the same number. So this also a rational number. Okay, right. Next some more examples. 4 and 5 by 3. These are rational numbers. 4 plus 5 by 3. Okay, equals to here. LCM is 3. 4 3s are 12 plus 5 equals to 17 by 3. This is also a rational number. And next 5 by 2 comma 3 by 2. These two are rational numbers. So 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2 equals to 5 plus 8. These are two like fractions. So we can add directly. 5 plus 3 is 8 by 2. So the 8 by 2 is 4. 4 also a rational number. So we can say that the rational numbers are closed under addition. Okay, here the basic operation is addition. Okay, right. Here addition. Okay, right. Let us check about subtraction. Closure property in subtraction. Okay, right. Okay, right. Subtraction. So let's check. I am taking two rational numbers 5 by 2 and 3 by 2. These are two rational numbers. So 5 by 2, here the basic operation is minus. So 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2, that is 2 by 2, which is equals to 1. Right? And next 4 and 3 by 8. These two are rationals. So 4 minus 3 by 8. Here 4 by 1. So LCM is 8. 4 8s are 32 minus 3 equals to 29 by 8. Okay. Here 1 is a rational number and 29 by 8 is also a rational number. Here the symbol is called as belongs to. Belongs to means the element is in the set. Okay, right. Okay, one more example. Minus 4, minus 10. These two are also rational numbers. So, minus 4 minus of minus 10. First number minus second number equals to minus 4 plus 10. That is plus 6 is also a rational number. So, we can say that the rational numbers are closed under addition. Sorry, under subtraction. Here the basic operation is minus under subtraction. Okay, subtraction also satisfies. Good. And next basic operation is multiplication. Now I am going to take multiplication. Okay, children. Next, multiplication. Okay, right. I am taking two rational numbers, 2 and 5 by 3. These two are rational numbers. Now multiplication. First number into second number. So 2 into 5 is 10 by 3, which is also a rational number. Again, I am taking minus 1 and minus 19. These two are also rational numbers. Minus 1 first number into second number. Minus into minus plus. 19 1 is 19, which is also a rational number. So we can conclude that rational numbers are closed under subtraction. Right? Rational numbers are closed under subtraction. Next basic operation is division. Okay. I am going to take division. Okay. Right. Divided by. Okay. Again I am taking these two rational numbers. 2, 5 by 3. I am going to divide. 2 divided by 5 by 3. Okay. 2 divided by 5 by 3. So, division changes into multiplication. Then the rational number is reversed. Means reciprocal. 3 by 5 equals to 6 by 5. This one also a rational number. Right? Yes. Next. 3 and minus 1 by 2. Okay. 3 divided by minus 1 by 2 equals to 3 into, ఇప్పుడు ఉన్నటువంటి ఫ్రాక్షన్ రివర్స్ చేస్తే minus 2. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. This also a rational number. So we conclude that rational numbers are closed under which basic operation? Under under division. Okay. Here is a mistake. This is not subtraction. This is multiplication. Okay, multiplication. Right. Okay, students, I hope you all understand. This is the closure property. Okay. Right. Next property is commutative property. Okay. Next property is commutative property. Okay. Right. The commutative property states that the change in the order of two numbers on binary operations, maybe it plus or minus or into or division. Okay. Then the result is not changed and means A plus B equals to B plus A. Okay. The change in order. Okay. Right. Okay. Here I have to check A plus B and B plus A. Is it equal or not? Okay. First one. Okay. First one is I am taking two rational numbers. Okay. 5 by 2 and minus 3 by 4. Okay. Here A plus B. First number plus second number. First number is 5 by 2 plus B is minus 3 by 4 equals to B second number plus first number 5 by 2. Okay, right. Here the LCM is 2. 4. What is the LCM of 2, 4? Is 2, 1 is 2, 2, 2 are 4. So the LCM is 4. So LCM is 4. So 10 plus into minus minus 3 equals to here also 4 minus 3 plus 10. Okay. Here 7 by 4 equal to here also plus 7 by 4. Okay. Here LHS equals to RHS. Okay. LHS equals to RHS. So rational we can conclude that rational numbers are commutative under addition. Okay, children. Right. Next, subtraction. I am going to take subtraction. Okay. Next, subtraction. Here I am taking two numbers which are 1 by 2 and 5 by 7. Okay. 1 by 2 and 5 by 7. So, first number minus second number equal to second number minus first number. Okay, A plus B equal to A minus B. A minus B equals to A plus B. We are going to checking is it right or not. Okay, right. Okay, here LCM is 2 7s are 14, 7 1 is 7, minus 2 5s are 10 equals to here also 14, 2 5s are 10, minus 7 1 is 7. Right. So 7 minus 10 is minus 3 by 14 equals to 10 minus 7 is 3 by 14. Here minus 3 by 14 plus 3 by 14 never equals. So LHS equals to is not equals to RHS. Okay, so we conclude that rational numbers are not commutative and which operation is this? Subtraction and subtraction. Okay, children? Right. And next, subtraction. Next one is multiplication. And next, multiplication. Multiplication, right? Okay, I am going to check A into B equals to B into A. Is it possible or not? Okay, right. Okay, let's take two rational numbers. Here I am taking two rational numbers, 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2 and 2. Okay, or other 3, minus 5 by 2 and 3. Okay, here A into B. A is first number, B second number. Equals to reverse order, 3 into minus 5 by 2. Okay, so multiply. Minus 5 into 3 is minus 15 by 2 equals to 3 5s are 15, minus 15 by 2. Okay, I want to take another example. 3 and 0, these two are rationals. So 3 into 0 equals to 0 into 3. 3 into 0 is 0, 0 into 3 is 0. Here also LHS equals to RHS. Here also LHS equals to RHS. So that means we conclude that rational numbers are commutative under which basic operation? Multiplication. Okay, children? Right. The next basic operation is division. Okay, right. Again I am taking two rational numbers. Okay, here I am checking the division. Okay, right. Division. Okay, children. Any two rational numbers. Okay, I am taking 1 by 2 and 5 by 4. These are two rational numbers. Okay, I am going to check A divided by B is equals to B divided by A. Is it right or not? Okay, right. A is 1 by 2 divided by B is 5 by 4 equals to 5 by 4 5 by 4 divided by 1 by 2. Okay. So 1 by 2 divided is into 4 by 5. We can change division into multiplication. Then the reciprocal is coming 4 by 5 equals to 5 by 4 into 2 by 1. Okay, right. Okay, right. 4 1 is 4 by 5 2s are 10. Okay. 5 2s are 10 divided by 4 1 is 4. Okay. I am not going to take the shortest form. Okay. See here is LHS equals to RHS? No, it's not equal. So we conclude that rational numbers are not commutative under division. Right, very good. Okay, next, our next property is, okay, I am going to take the next property, which is associative property. Associative property. Okay, right. Here, is there any three numbers A, B, C? If we going to add, we add first two numbers or second two numbers. Next, first two numbers, then third number. Okay, is this equal or not? Okay, this is the associative property. Okay, for example, here the addition. I am going to take addition. Okay, and here three rational numbers. Okay, 2 by 7, 5, 1 by 3. These are three rational numbers. Okay, I am going to check 2 by 7 plus 5 plus 1 by 3 equals to 2 by 7 plus 5 plus 1 by 3. Okay, right. Here 2 by 7 plus, here I am going to take LCM 3. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 equals to, here LCM 7, 2 plus 7 5s are 35 plus 1 by 3. Right. From this we can write 2 by 7 plus here 16 by 3 equals to 35 plus 2 is 37 by 7 plus 1 by 3. Okay. Right. Here the LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. So 2 3s are 6 plus 16 7s are 112 equals to, here again LCM is 21. 37 3s are 3 7s are 21. Sorry, 21. 3 3s are 9 plus 2 11 plus 7 1 is 7. Okay, this is 1. 6 plus 112 is 118 by 21 equals to, here also 118 by 21. Okay, here we say that LHS equals to RHS. That means rational numbers are associative under addition. Right. Okay. I am going to take next basic property, subtraction. Okay, children? Right. Subtraction. Okay, I am going to check A minus B minus C is equals to A minus B minus C. Is right or not? Okay? Okay, right. Here also I am taking the numbers same, 2 by 7, 5 and 1 by 2. Okay, 2 by 7 minus 5 minus 1 by 2 equals to A minus B. 2 by 7 minus 5 minus C. Okay, 2 by 7 minus, here LCM. LCM is 2. 2 5s are 10 minus 1 equals to, here LCM is 7. 2 minus 35 minus 1 by 2. Right. Okay, 2 by 7 minus 10 minus 1 is 9 by 2 equal to minus 33 by 7 minus 1 by 2. Here 7 2. What is the LCM? 14. So 2 2s are 4 minus 9 7s are 63 equals to, here also what is LCM? 14. 33 into 2 is minus 66 minus 7 into 1 is 7. Okay. From this we can write minus 59 by 14 is equals to minus 73 by 14. Is it right? Denominators are equal. So these are like fractions. So minus 59 is bigger than minus 73. So here we can say that LHS is not equals to RHS. Okay. So from this we conclude that rational numbers are not associative under subtraction. Am I right? Yes. Next, subtraction is over. Next one is yes, multiplication. Okay, I am going to check is A into B minus C is equals to A into B into C. Is this right or not? Okay. Now also I am taking 2 by 7, 5, 1 by 2. This 3. Okay, 2 by 7 into B 5 into 1 by 2 equals to 2 by 7 into 5 into C is 1 by 2. Okay, 2 by 7 into 5 1 is 5 by 2 equals to 2 into 5 is 10. 2 5 are 10 by 7 into 1 by 2. Okay, multiply. 5 2s are 10 by 2 7s are 14 equals to 10 by again 40. Here LHS equals to RHS. That means we can say that rational numbers are associative under multiplication. Right. Good. Okay. Right, children. Okay, after multiplication, the next basic operation is division. Okay. A divided by B divided by C equals to A divided by B is divided by C. Okay, I am taking 3 rational numbers. Okay, here 0, 1 minus 1 by 2. These 3 rational numbers. A is 0 divided by B 1 is divided by minus 1 by 2. Okay, equals to 0 divided by B is 1 is divided by minus 1 by 2. Okay, 0 divided by. Okay, I am going to check 1. Is divided by can change into in multiplication. Then 2 by minus 1, that is minus 2 equals to 0 by 1 is we not define infinite is divided by minus 1 by 2. Here 0 by anything is infinite. Here also infinite. Okay, I am going to check another one also. Same numbers. 2 by 7, 5, 1 by 2. Alright. Okay, here 2 by 7 divided by 5 is divided by 1 by 2 equals to 2 by 7 divided by 5 is divided by 1 by 2. Okay, right. Okay, here 2 by 7 divided by 5. Okay, I change division into multiplication. 5 into 2 equals to 2 by 5 into 1 by 5 is divided by 1 by 2. Okay, children, carefully. 2 by 7 is divided by 10 equals to 2 1 is 2 by 7 5s are 35 divided by 1 by 2. Okay, 2 by 7, I can change this into multiplication into 1 by 10 equals to 2 by 35 into 2 by 1. Okay, here is 2 1 is 2 by 7 10s are 70. Here 2 2s are 4 by 35. Okay, 2 by 70 is never equals to 4 by 35. So here we conclude that LHS is not equals to RHS. That means rational numbers are not associative under division. Okay, the associative property is finished. Next, the next one is the role of 0. Okay, the role of 0. Okay, if we add 0 to any number, we get the same number. Minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. 8 by 5 plus 0 is 8 by 5. 0 plus minus 8 by 5 equals to minus 8 by 5. Okay, right? This called the additive identity. Okay, here 0 is an additive identity. Okay, children? Right. And next, the role of 1. This is identity property. And next, the role of 1. Okay, if we multiply any number with 1, we get the same number. 5 by 3 into 1 is 5 by 3. 1 into minus 100, minus 100. 1 into minus 3 by 5 is minus 3 by 5. The value is never changes when we multiply with 1. Okay, here the multiplicative identity. This is called multiplicative identity. Okay, children? Right. Here the multiplicative identity is 1. So 1 is the multiplicative identity. And next, additive inverse. This is the identity property. Next, inverse. I am going to tell that additive inverse and again and then multiplicative inverse. Additive inverse. Okay, right. Additive inverse. What is the additive identity? 0. So, to get 0, which number we can add to 1? That is minus 1. Am I right? 1 plus minus 1 is 0. Okay. Here 5 by 3 is there. I want 0 when we add. Okay. Then which number we have to add to 5 by 3? That is minus 5 by 3. So minus 8 plus 8 is 0. Okay. Number and the negative number. Okay. These are the additive inverses. Minus 8 is additive inverse of plus 8. Plus 8 is additive inverse of minus 8. Okay. These are the two multiplicative inverses to each other. Okay. Next multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Okay, children? Right. Multiplicative inverse. What is multiplicative identity? 1. Okay. Here, by which number we have to multiply to the number 5 to get the answer is 1. So, I will multiply 5 with 1 by 5. Then only I will get 1. If there is 5 by 3, then we multiply with 3 by 5. Okay, that is 1. Minus 1 by 2. The answer is 1. So, which number we have to multiply? Minus 2 by 1. Here 2 cancel, minus 1 cancel, minus into minus plus. 1 3 cancel, 5 cancel, 1. So, the multiplicative inverse. Okay, this is the property we call the multiplicative inverses. The inverse property. Okay, here the multiplicative inverse of one number is the reciprocal of the number. Okay, that means minus 1 by 2 reciprocal is minus 2 by 1. 5 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 5. 5 reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. Okay, right. And next, finally, we have to learn about distributivity of multiplication over addition. Distributivity of multiplication over addition. Okay, right. Okay, I take 3 rational numbers, 2 by 5, 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. Okay, I'm going to check 2 by 5 into 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. Is it equal to 2 by 5 into 1 by 2 plus 2 by 5 into 2 by 5 into 3 by 4. Is it equal or not? Is it right or not? We have to check. Okay, I am going to check. Here 2 by 5 into, here LCM 2, 4, LCM is 4. 2, 1 is 2 plus 3 equals to multiplication. 2, 1 is 2 by 5 2 is 10 plus 2 3 is 6 by 5 4 is 20. 2 by 5 into 5 by 4 equals to, here I am going to take LCM. The LCM is 20. Am I right? 10, 20. 5 2s are 5 4s are 2 1 is 2 2s are. So 20. 20 is LCM. So 2 2s are 4 plus 6. Okay, here multiplication is 5 4s are, 2 5s are 10 by 20 equals to 10 by 20. Okay, here 10 by 20, 10 by 20. So LHS equals to RHS. So we can say that A into B plus C equals to A into B plus A into C. This is the property of distributivity. Multiplication over addition. Okay children, I hope you all are understand the properties of rational numbers. Okay, right. These are the properties of rational numbers. Okay, I am going to conclude. I hope you all are understand. So please watching Kranti Maths YouTube channel. Please subscribe the channel. If you are subscribe the channel, then only you will get notifications. Okay, right. Thank you. Thank you for watching.